In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable Fps Counter in Steam Games. If you've ever wondered how smoothly your game is running, an Fps Counter is a quick way to see performance at a glance. Steam makes this easy, and you can turn it on or off globally or per game, depending on what you need. First, let's enable it. Launch Steam, then head to the Steam menu in the top left and open Settings. In the left sidebar, choose the In-Game tab. Here, you'll see a drop-down labeled either In-Game Fps Counter or Show Performance Monitor, depending on your Steam version. Open that drop-down and pick where you want the counter to appear on your screen, top left, top right, bottom left, or bottom right. Choose a corner that doesn't overlap important game elements like health bars or mini-maps. For better visibility, especially in darker games, enable the high contrast color option. This makes the counter stand out so you can read it at a glance. When you've picked your position and color, click OK to apply your settings before you launch a game. Once you're in a game, look to the corner you selected and you should see the FPS readout. If it's hard to see or sits under a HUD element, return to settings later and try a different corner. If you prefer more detailed stats, selecting Show Performance Monitor in the same area is an option, but the placement and visibility settings work the same way. Now, if you want to turn the counter off, it's just as simple. Go back to Steam, open Settings, and return to the In-Game tab. Set the In-Game Fps Counter or Show Performance Monitor to off. That hides the counter the next time you play. If you'd like to completely eliminate anything from the Steam Overlay that might appear on top of your games, uncheck Enable the Steam Overlay while in-game on this same page. This fully removes overlay elements, including the Fps Counter, from all titles you launch through Steam. And if you only want to disable the overlay for a specific game while keeping it on for others, you can do that too. In your library, right-click the game, select Properties, and disable the overlay there for that one title. This is helpful if a particular game has its own performance tools or if the overlay conflicts with its interface. That's all you need to manage the Fps Counter in Steam. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.